I love trying new makeup products and पिछले कुछ महीनों में I have shared a lot of haul videos with you guys. But जितने भी products मैंने last कुछ months में purchase किए हैं, I wasn't able to try all of them and share my experience with you guys about each single one of them. So I wanted to try all the new products that I haven't still tried from my collection, and that is what today's video would be about. As you must have seen by the title of the video, today's video would be a full face of first impression, and these are all the makeup products that I would be trying in this video. 90% of the products जो कि मैं आज की वीडियो में ट्राई करूँगी would be those जो मैंने पहले ट्राई नहीं किए हुए हैं, स्वॉच नहीं किए हुए हैं, and there are a couple of them जो कि पुराने हैं. Since I do not have a new product in the same category, so yes, this is everything that I would be putting on my face in today's video. It is a first impression video, and I have all sorts of products right here, ranging from a very affordable one to the very pricier one. So if you're interested in seeing what all new products I have with me and how do they look on me, what I feel about them, then keep on watching. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So as I said, today's video would be a full face of first impression video. I have prepped my face. मैंने अपना जो skincare है वो complete कर लिया है. Now I would be starting with my makeup, and the very first thing that I would be applying on my face would be a primer, and the primer that I would be using is by Nykaa, and it is Nykaa's Prep Me Up. Now I have a sample size of this particular primer since I haven't bought this primer myself. Nykaa के pink sale के time जब मैंने products purchase किए थे, so I received this little tiny primer as a free gift. Yes, this is what I would be applying today. Let me quickly open it up. I haven't even opened it up yet. Okay, so I have opened it up and now I would be applying it on my face. So let's give it a try. Oh, it is still sealed from here. Now let's give it a try. I'll just take a little bit of the primer on my finger first. Okay, so first impression, it seems like a very jelly consistency sort of a primer, and this is soothing, perfect toning sort of a primer. So I'll just apply it on my fingers and apply it around my nose, especially on the areas जहाँ पे मेरे pores बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, and then will blend it out. थोड़ा सा forehead पे भी लगाऊंगी and will blend out the rest of the primer. Okay, so first impression काफ़ी smooth feel होता है, and I do feel very like soft and moisturized around my nose. Okay, yes. It does seem कि काफ़ी अच्छा कैनवस बनाएगा ये फाउंडेशन एप्लीकेशन के लिए. So as of now, yes, I do feel really nice while applying this particular primer. I'll just give a quick close-up. So when I saw very closely in the mirror, बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क तो नहीं किया है मेरे pores के लिए, but I do feel pretty nice around my nose right here, and थोड़ी बहुत redness भी I think hide हो गई है. So yes, that's about the primer. Now for the foundation, I don't actually have a new foundation with me, but I recently did buy this Maybelline Fit Me SPF 50 face tint. This is a vitamin C face tint, and ये काफ़ी पुराना product है, like market में काफ़ी पहले से आया हुआ है, but I personally never bought this particular tint, and since Delhi में गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, I do not go and apply a full face of foundation. I usually go for these sort of lighter lit tints which have SPF in them, or I just apply my SPF, regular SPF, and go out. I do not apply a very full heavy face of foundation. That is why I bought this particular one. So yes, for the foundation I would be trying the Maybelline Fit Me tint, and to apply this foundation I usually prefer makeup sponges over any sort of makeup brushes to apply my foundation. That is what I would be doing today. I would be using this Zudio makeup sponge which retails for just 79 rupees. I haven't opened it yet. I did share about this particular sponge in my Zudio haul video, which was like around 2 to 3 months back, but since then I haven't opened this particular one. Look how beautiful, how cute it looks like. I love the marbleized finish on this, but let's see how it works. Right now this is the size of this particular makeup sponge. I have my water with me right here. I didn't go out and wet this particular one because I wanted to show it to you guys as well, so I'll just give it a quick dip and let's see how big it becomes or how well it is able to absorb the water. Okay, it is pretty big right here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, yes. So okay, first things first, this is the wet size of this sponge, which is pretty huge. But okay, so the water is very dirty, which I am a little concerned about. इसका मतलब है कि ये जो sponge था ये clean नहीं था. I opened the packaging right in front of you and still this is how the water looks like. But yes, the size of the sponge is pretty nice. I'll just take a tissue and just blot the excess water that it has, and the sponge is ready for the foundation application. And as I said, I would be applying this Maybelline foundation, which again I haven't opened yet, so I'll just quickly open it up and use it. This is how the tube looks like. I'll take a little bit of tint on the back of my hands. Okay, so I ordered this online and so I am not too sure about my shade, but Maybelline में जो मैं shade use करती हूँ, I ordered a similar shade. Shade that I have with me right now is shade number 05. I'll just take the tint on the sponge and apply it, okay, on my face. So again, this is a first impression thing and I do think that is giving a very good coverage. I honestly wasn't expecting a good coverage from a face tint, but I do think it is giving me a decent coverage. I think I have done my full face and I still have a lot of product on the back of my hand, so either the product works really well or I do feel that ये जो sponge है बहुत ज़्यादा product absorb नहीं करता है, which is a very good thing. So yes, I'll just blend everything quickly. Okay, so after blending, this is how it looks like. I love the way this Zudio makeup spongy worked. काफ़ी अच्छा size हो गया है इसका and बहुत flawlessly मेरे जो tint है Maybelline का उसको उसने blend किया है. Talking about my first impression on this tint, I love the product. It feels very light on the skin. It actually doesn't feel that I've applied anything on my skin. It is very light and it is giving me a decent coverage. So yes, I do think that it is a very nice product, specifically since it is lightweight and it is very hot here. The product is very lightweight and it has an SPF of 50. So yes, both of these products, the Zudio makeup sponge and the Fit Me tint, are a hit for me. So far I've liked all the three products that I've tried. Now for my concealer, I usually apply my K-Beauty concealer, but I have tried it so many times, although I did buy a backup of that one as well. But today I would be giving this Dior Forever Skin Correct a try. I haven't actually bought it personally. My cousin gifted it to me and since then I haven't tried this particular one. I am not too sure whether this would be my shade or not. This is, by the way, shade number 2W and I honestly do not even know how the shades on this thing works. But yes, I'm just hoping कि ये मेरा color होगा and I do feel कि ये मेरा color होगा. So I'll just give it a try. I'll just apply a tiny little bit underneath my eyes and I do think ये मेरा shade है since it is a little lighter for my skin. Okay, I think I am already liking it. I am not too sure कि ये coverage कैसी देगा, but so far I think I'm already liking the products. Let's blend it out using the same sponge. Okay, it is blending very seamlessly. Okay, so I do think that it has brightened my under eyes and it does seem to be a good shade for me, but I will blend it a little more under my eyes. My cousin has done an amazing job in selecting the color for me and I absolutely love how it looks like. I'm not right now sure about the formula of this because as of now it is blending pretty well, but I'll have to see whether throughout the day it is working well underneath my eyes and hopefully it won't crease under my eyes, so that we'll have to see. But so far so good. It does seem to be an amazing product. Now let's set everything up using a compact, and for the compact I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me compact, and I have ordered the shade 128. This is the shade that I usually apply for my foundation, so yes, this is the product that I would be giving a try. And if you are curious, this is how the product looks like, and it does come with the sponge. So I'll just take a little bit of product on the sponge and try setting my makeup with it. I do not honestly have a compact powder with a sponge with me. मैं MAC का जो मिनरलाइज स्किन फिनिश है उसको इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, but it requires a brush to apply. It is a very first time in a very long time कि मैंने एक स्पंज वाला जो फाउंडेशन या कॉम्पैक्ट आप कह लीजिए वो ऑर्डर किया है. So yes, I have set everything up using my Maybelline Fit Me compact. Now it is time for the eyebrows, and I do not have a new product for my eyebrows, so I would just be using the Urban Decay का Brow Box Choke Me जो मैं हमेशा यूज़ करती हूँ. So yes, I will just take a tiny little bit and give my brows some little bit of definition. बहुत ज़्यादा आईब्रोज को कलर नहीं करती हूँ. I like to give it a little bit of definition just, and with this I am done with my eyebrows now. Okay, so welcome back. The lighting setup have changed a little. मेरी कैमरा बैटरी डिस्चार्ज हो गई थी, so I took a little bit of time to get it charged. Plus हमारी लाइट चली गई है, so I am filming in a natural light right now, so I hope you will be able to see it a little bit better since I am sitting right in front of a window. So yes, now I have done the base makeup. Now let's give the face a little bit of color, and for that first I would be applying a bronzer, and the bronzer that I would be applying is by Color Essence, and this is their matte bronzer. I received this bronzer a few months back in PR, but since then I haven't tried this bronzer. This is how it looks like. The color looks pretty, but I think it looks very orangey for my skin. So but yes, I'll have to give it a try to see ये कैसा लगता है. So I have my bronzer brush. I'll just tap a little bit in the bronzer and tap off the excess. Now let's apply the bronzer. Okay, so as I assume this is very pigmented, you can see it, but I hope it's very easy to blend as well. Oh yes, absolutely. It is very easy to blend, but yes, it is very pigmented. You can see both the sides of my face look so different from each other. So I'll just apply the bronzer on both the sides. This bronzer is definitely more on the orangey side for me, and I do not like to go for too like orangey bronzers, but yes, I do like the fact that it does blend very seamlessly and it looks nice. So I'll just apply a very tiny bit of the bronzer on my nose as well. मैं contour नहीं कर रही हूँ since I do not have a new contour product. So yes, this is the only color that I would be giving my face apart from the blush. So yes, this is how the bronzer looks like, and I can already see a difference in the structure of my face. I do think that this particular thing did perform well. So now let's go on to give a little bit of color to the face, and for that I would be trying these Recode lip and cheek tints. Now again बहुत महीनों पहले मैंने इन्हें परचेज़ किया था, but since then मैंने बहुत सारे नए liquid cream blushes परचेज़ किए हैं. So I didn't get a chance to actually give these particular ones a try. I have two colors with me. One of them is like a peachy shade and one is a pinky sort of a color. So I think considering the lip product that I have with me, I will go for the peach one that I have, and the shade that I have is called Unforgettable, I think, and I'll just quickly open, and this is the little protector that it has, and this is how the shade looks like. I swirled my finger inside this a little bit, so that's how it looks like. I'll just use my fingers for this. I'll tap my finger. Oh, this is not as pigmented I expected to be. So I think I'll have to take a little more product. I'm just using my finger to blend it. और अगर मुझे लगता है कि फिंगर से नहीं हो पा रहा है then I might be using the makeup sponge, but so far so good and I do think ये अच्छे से blend हो रहा है. Okay, you can see a lot of color on my face right now. Okay, so this is how the color looks like on my face. Honestly saying, I do like the way the color looks on me, but considering the formula, it is on the average side. I have tried the other cream blushes or the liquid blushes that I've recently tried. I like them way more. I am not saying that this is a bad product because it looks very nice. It is blending very nicely even with your finger, or you can blend it using a brush or maybe a makeup sponge. But as compared to the others that I've tried recently, this is more on the average side. So now this being done, now I will apply highlighter on my face, and for that I would be using this Mars Glozilla palette. Again, बहुत महीनों पहले मैंने Mars का एक हॉल वीडियो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया था जिसमें मैंने ये पर्टिकुलर हाइलाइटर पैलेट है वो आप लोगों को दिखाया था, but it is so reflective. Okay, I got distracted because it is so reflected, but yes, बहुत टाइम पहले मैंने ये जो प्रोडक्ट है परचेज किया था, आप लोगों को वीडियो में दिखाया था, but since then I haven't actually applied it. So today let's give this one a try. Which color should I use? I think in the camera आपको चारों कलर्स एक जैसे लग रहे होंगे, but trust me, they are completely different from each other. So I would be giving this particular shade a try. I will try and insert a little clip of this particular palette जिसमें आप चारों जो different colors हैं उनके बीच में differentiate कर पाएँ. But yes, I would be using this particular color. So थोड़ा सा मैं अपने ब्लश पे लूँगी, एक्सेस को टैप करूँगी and with a very light hand I will apply. Okay, so it is reflective. I am somebody जिसे बहुत ज़्यादा जो ग्लोई ब्लशेस या ग्लोई हाइलाइटर्स होते हैं वो पसंद आते हैं. So yes, I am into very strong highlighters. I think this is again something जिसको आप आसानी से बिल्ड कर सकते हैं. 2 लेयर्स लगाने के बाद this is how it looks like, and although yes, it is very shiny, it is very reflective, it is honestly not enough for me. So I am applying a few layers of this particular highlighter on my cheeks as well as on my nose, bridge of my nose. So yes, it does seem a little bit reflective on this cheek as compared to this, but I don't know what I've done. Okay, I don't know why am I doing it, but I'll just apply a little bit more right here and tiny little bit on my cupid's bow as well. So yes, it looks like this. Talking about my first impression, देखने में बहुत सुंदर पैलेट है and formula is buildable. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा light highlighter पसंद है तो आपको multiple coats लगाने पड़ेंगे, and if you're a fan of light subtle highlighters then these are a very good options. बहुत ही affordable सा पैलेट है, so you might go for this particular one. By the way, the shade that I have with me right here is shade number 3, and they do come in a couple of more shades. So yes, that being said, this is how the face makeup looks like. Now let's go on to the eyes and try new eye products that I have with me. First things first, I will go for my eye look, and for that I would be using this Matte Looks Intense eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful color options and this is pretty affordable. I bought this one from Nykaa as well a long time back, but I wasn't able to give this one a try, so today I would be trying this one. I haven't even swatched this right now, so I'm not very sure how would it work for me, but since I am going all like peachy tone, so I will create a warm look using this palette. Now इस palette के अंदर ऐसा कोई color नहीं है जिसको मैं as a base color apply कर सकूँ, so I will just टेक द ब्रश एंड उसको जो मैंने कंसीलर लगाया है उसको रैंडमली अपने आईज पे थोड़ा सा पाउडर करूँगी, एंड आई डोंट नो विच कलर्स शुड आई यूज़, बट आई विल जस्ट गो विद दिस वन. ये जो पर्टिकुलर लुक मैं क्रिएट करूँगी इसमें मैं सारे कलर्स नहीं यूज़ कर पाऊँगी. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन वीडियो. सो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कलर्स इसमें इस्तेमाल नहीं करूँगी. आई वुड डू अ सेपरेट रिव्यू वीडियो ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. सो उसके अंदर मैं एक बेटर आई लुक क्रिएट करूँगी, या फिर आप ये कह लीजिए कि ज़्यादा कलर्स का इस्तेमाल करूँगी. बट सो फार आई हैव जस्ट टेकन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कलर ऑन माई ब्रश एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. द कलर्स आर वेरी पिगमेंटेड, or rather I should say the particular color that I'm using is very pigmented, and yes, it is blending very nicely on my eyes. I'm taking a little bit of more color and applying in the outer crease. I think I'll create a very subtle look, and it won't be a subtle look since I'm planning to use the glitter, ताकि मैं ग्लिटर के बारे में भी अपना ओपिनियन आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर पाऊँ. बट येस, आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड बी यूजिंग एनी मोर कलर. सो नाउ आई जस्ट टेक अ क्लीन फ्लफी ब्रश और क्रीज को अच्छे से ब्लेंड करूँगी. So once done, it's time to apply this beautiful golden glitter on my lids. Now usually glitters को fingers से apply किया जाता है, but I will first try it using a flat brush, and I'll dip the brush in the glitter. It seems to be very chunky as well. Oh, and it is very, I don't know how will I apply it. It's very, the formula is very soft. So I'll just tap the product in this color and try tapping it back on my eyes. Oh, it's beautiful. I have very little color on my brush, but it seems beautiful. I'll just go in with my fingers only because I think if fingers से ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. See how beautiful it is. So I'll just go in with my fingers. Oh wow, 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 wow. Okay. Since it is a very chunky glitter, it might go all over your face. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अगर आप ऐसा कोई लुक कर रहे हैं तो आप अपना फेस मेकअप बाद में करें. बट सिंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट, आई विल बी वेरी केयरफुल. एंड येस, यूजिंग अ टैपिंग मोशन टू अप्लाई द कलर ऑल ओवर द लिड. ओके, आई थिंक आई विल जस्ट स्टॉप नाउ बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लिटर हो रहा है अब. एंड आई विल टेक माई ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश अगेन, डिप इन द क्रीज कलर एंड अप्लाई द कलर अगेन. सिंस ये गोल्डन काफ़ी इंटेंस है, आई एम जस्ट इंटेंसिफाइंग द कलर अ लिटिल बिट. और कलर मेरे आईज़ के नीचे भी आ गया है, सो आई थिंक आई हैव टू रीअप्लाई एवरीथिंग नाउ. बट येस, सो येस, ब्लेंडिंग everything back again. This is how the glitter looks like. ये अंडर आइज में भी मेरे आप देख पा रहे होंगे. So I will just take my sponge and will try to fix this thing. But I am not sure कि बहुत अच्छे से ये हो पाएगा. Okay, so my suggestion, if you're using a chunky glitter, please do your face makeup afterwards. And this is how it looks like. Now for my eyes, I would be using two more products. The first one is this Kajal pencil, and this is by the brand Zudio. ये मैंने Zudio के हॉल में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया था, लेकिन तब से मैंने ये पेंसिल यूज़ नहीं की है. So it is a retractable pencil. You just twist it and give it a try. मैंने इसे ऑन द बैक ऑफ द हैंड ट्राई किया हुआ है, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज़ वेरी पिगमेंटेड देयर. सो नाउ आई विल गिव दिस वन अ ट्राई इन माई वाटर लाइन, अप्लाइंग इट विद अ वेरी लाइट हैंड, एंड येस, इट इज़ वेरी पिगमेंटेड. इट इज़ नॉट द मोस्ट पिगमेंटेड पेंसिल दैट आई एवर यूज. बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लैक पिगमेंट एक बार में नहीं दे रहा है, बट सर्टनली येस, इट इज़ पिगमेंटेड. यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन माई आईज, एंड येस, इट इज़ पिगमेंटेड. स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द प्राइस रेंज, इट इज़ अ गुड वन. आई एम नॉट श्योर इसका स्टेइंग पावर कैसा है, ये स्मच करता है नहीं करता. दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम यूजिंग इट, but so far so good. It is pigmented. I will tight line my eyes using this as well. Okay, and this is how the kajal looks like. It is very pigmented, and I do like the overall look that I have right now. So yes, that being said, I'll quickly close this kajal. First impression again, as per the price range, ये बहुत ही अच्छा काजल है. Now let's give this little mascara a try again. This is a very affordable one, Zudio का ही है, and I absolutely love the way this wand looks like. काफ़ी curly सी wand है, and it is supposedly a curling mascara क्योंकि इसकी wand तो at least वैसी ही है. So let's give this one a try as well. Okay, so the application is very easy. Clump नहीं कर रहा है mascara. ओके, आई डिड से कि ये एक कर्लिंग मस्कारा है, बट आई डू फील कि इट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ लेंथनिंग मस्कारा नाउ। थोड़ा सा मैं अपने लोअर लैशेस पे भी लगा लेती हूँ। एंड ओ माई गॉड, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन बोथ माई आईज़। इसमें और इसमें आप काफ़ी डिफरेंस देख पा रहे होंगे, एंड इट इज़ ड्यू टू द मस्कारा। अगेन, आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ अ वाटर प्रूफ मस्कारा बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल, but since I haven't given it a full try, I can't comment on that right now. I'll just quickly finish my other eye and would be right back. Okay, so I am done with my eyes and सब कुछ पूरा हो गया है. The only thing that is remaining are my lips. And for my lips, I would be using a very fancy product which is very recently launched in India. In fact, brand ने ही काफ़ी recently इस product को launch किया है, and since the time I've seen this product, I wanted to give it a try. But since it is a very pricey one, I wasn't able to buy it till now. I am talking about the new Huda Beauty lip gloss. It retails for somewhere around 2000 rupees. Honestly, I wanted to give it a try, but it is a lot of money. Plus ये Nykaa के पिंक सेल की ड्यूरेशन में भी डिस्काउंट पे नहीं आया था, सो आई डिडंट परचेज इट एट दैट टाइम. बट आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर वन फ्रॉम टीरा ब्यूटी, एंड सिंस इट वाज द वेरी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर फ्रॉम टीरा ब्यूटी, आई गॉट अ 500 rupees discount, so I finally purchased